Hi everyone, this is Brad. It doesn't happen often, but if your mouse or your touchpad isn't working, especially if you have a lesson or a presentation, you know it can be kind of paralyzing. So here are a few tips and tricks to help you out if that ever does happen. The first one, now I'm on a Windows-based device, is to hold down the Window and the S. And what we're going to do here is we're going to type in Google. And you can see Google Chrome comes up. We're going to hit enter. Now you need to choose who's using Chrome. That's the first step. Okay, so Google's come up, but now you need to search. So what you can do is hold down Control and L, and then you can just type in baseball, let's say, and hit enter. Now we're going to scroll through the results, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit tab. You can see tab going through from left to right, and let's just say we want to go down and we want to go to this one right here. We can go ahead and hit enter. However, if you go too far, and let's just say we want to go to the MLB.com, what you can do is hold down Shift and Tab, and it will take you right back, and you can hit enter, and then you can go to MLB.com. Okay, so now let's pretend we have a lot of tabs like we do at the top here. If we want to go through those, what you can do is hold down Control, Shift, Tab. Now this one will go ahead and go to the left. You could also go ahead and do Control and Page Up. It will do the same to go from right to left. If you do hold down Control and Page Down, it'll go from left to right. So there are a few tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.